Hey guys, Brian Keene here with Rustoleum here at Barnes Ace up in Northgate. We're going to talk to you guys about a few different things that are here at the store. The first is, yes, our new Stops Rust turbo spray. As you can see, it is basically two cans stacked on top of each other. But the cool thing about this is the new technology behind this can. It's got a high output nozzle. So where your standard can does about a 1 to 2 inch fan, this will do about a 14-inch fan. And yes, hold your breath because we will be outside spray painting this. Next thing we're going to talk about is the Rustoleum 2X Painter's Touch. We offer 94 colors in a few different sheens, primarily gloss and satin. Some key takeaways of this product is one, it bonds to plastic, and two, it's double the coverage. So whereas your standard spray paint might cover half the mil thickness, this will cover double, which means less coats for the consumer, quicker project time. And the last thing we're going to talk about is our new Varathane Premium Fast Dry Stain. This is a different stain than your traditional stain that you see on the shelf, as it's a 1 coat, 1 hour project time. It is rich in pigment. It comes in a variation of colors, both traditional colors as well as reclaimed colors. So all of these are all available at all of Barnes Ace. And now we're gonna go outside and do some live demoing. All right, hey guys, Brian Keene here. We're outside. We are going to do a live demo, our traditional Stops Rust can versus our new Stops Rust turbo can. So first we're going to spray the regular Stops Rust. You can see it's about a 1 to 2 inch line. Brace yourself. Stops Rust turbo. There you go. It's the real deal. Stops Rust Turbo is available at all your local Barnes Ace Hardwares. Hey guys, Brian here again. We are going to do a quick side-by-side demo. So here we have the Varathane Premium Fast Dry along with your Minwax yellow label. So real quick. So this is the Varathane Premium Fast Dry. So as you can see, as I brush it on, extremely rich in pigment. We'll put it on, wipe it off. So that is the Varathane Premium. Next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and brush on the Minwax yellow label. So as you guys can see, so we have the Varathane Premium Fast Dry, 1 coat, quick wipe. This is the Minwax yellow label, both the same color, both ebony, 1 coat, 1 wipe, and you can see the difference. And again, this is a true 1 coat, 1 hour stain. So not only does it cut down on project time, but it makes life a little easier for you.